Students, good morning. Once again, welcome back to our St. Thomas family from long break as per 1 week. After we start our English session, we have started Unit 4 and we finished activity 3 and 4. Okay, बच्चे. Now we are going to start our activity 5. A new dish part 2. We have seen part 1 as a new dish. The Maharaja of Travancore ordered a huge dinner in his palace for many important people. In the afternoon, the Maharaja visited the kitchen to see what dishes were being prepared for his guests. And he noticed a basket full of many vegetables, pieces left over. Do you know scrap? The cook replied that he would throw them away. But Maharaja of Travancore advised them, you have to use this scrap. Do you know? They prepare a new dish. Well, I explained very well. I hope you understood. Yes, we see in that part 1 a new dish and the head cook prepared this new dish, boil these vegetables and add spices, coconut, and this Maharaja explained them we should not waste all these vegetables. Find a way to use them. Then the head cook cut them in different slices or bits and strips and arrange them color-wise to make a piece of art, and the king would be pleased to watch it. The best use is to make mulch of it. We can get them rotten under soil and can get best much out of them for the king's garden. And there was only a little bit of yam, plantain, cucumber and potato. This scrap, do you know? There was a small carrot, a handful of green beans and a few chilies. So, from this story, we understood that from waste of vegetables means scrap, they prepare a new dish, the avial. From famous from Kerala. Okay. So, here in activity 5, some new words are there. Glossary, I send in PDF. Bits means pieces. Strip, a long, flat, narrow piece ground, crushed into small pieces. Curry, a kind of spice. Bracelet, a piece of jewelry worn around the wrist. Most of girls wore this bracelet. Traditional, following or the belonging to the customs. So, बच्चे, we start this story, a new dish part 2. The cook stepped outside, looked up at the tree, and suddenly he got an idea. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned all the vegetable bits and cooked them in a huge pot. He ground the fresh coconut and added green chilies, garlic and some salt in it. When the vegetables were cooked, he stirred in the coconut and plenty of curd. poured on some coconut oil and sprinkled it all with curry leaves. So here they mention how they prepared the dish from scrap. He served this new invention to the king and his guest. The king liked it so much that he gave him a beautiful gold bracelet as reward. Reward means prize. King बहुत खुश हो गया. They prepared no from this scrap a new dish. So he rewarded the cook with a bracelet. He named the new dish avial. The dish became so famous in Kerala that it is now one of the dishes in traditional feasts of Kerala. The amazing thing is that it comes from a basket of scrap and a good idea. From this dish, they prepare a new dish, avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional feasts of Kerala. Isn't it amazing that it all came from a basket of scraps and a good idea? So we understood that how to prepare a new dish from waste scrap. Okay? From activity 5, we understood this new dish avial. Now we go activity 6. In activity 6, some new words. Recipe, a set of instructions telling how to prepare and cook food. Ingredients, a food that is used with other foods in the preparation of a particular dish. जो कंटेंट चाहिए हमको न्यू डिश प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. Boil, to heat liquid. Tender, become soft. Gently means with low heat. Slow, medium. Okay, understand? So, the story told how the cook created avial for the first time. The cook did not have a recipe. A recipe is a list of instructions for making a food dish. Recipes list the ingredients, the foods used to make the dish, and the method for cooking it. For example, here is a recipe. See, here they are given ingredients and amounts. Serves for one person. Dried pasta 3/4 cup. Butter 1 tablespoon. Amul cheese spread 2-3 tablespoons. Milk 1/4 cup. Salt pinch. Understand बच्चे? So here they mention method also. First, boil water in large pot. Add pasta. Do you like no? Yes. Add pasta, salt and a small amount of the butter. Cook pasta till tender. Drain water. Slow medium में पकाते जाओ. Then drain the water. Add butter, milk and cheese spread to pasta. Heat gently until butter and cheese melt. Serve hot. So, here already we prepared pasta. So, eat बच्चे. Enjoy. Okay. Read and discuss this recipe with your classmates. Decide together what do you think this recipe makes. So बच्चे, first of all, it is innovative idea which helps make this recipe. It is the experience of the cook that counts, because otherwise the right proportion of ingredients may not have been possible and it would have turned to be uneatable with bad taste. This cook prepared well and make a new dish. Understand no बच्चे? So here now read the story, the new dish carefully and show your understanding of the story by creating a recipe for Avial. First list the ingredients, then the method that the cook used to create the dish. You will need to invent the amounts. Be sure to prepare this dish. चलो ओके बच्चे. So ingredients and amounts for serves one king and all his important guests. So we write here dried pasta 30 cups, butter 10 tablespoons, Amul cheese spread 25 tablespoons, milk 8 cups and salt 30 grams. Okay बच्चे. So first we write ingredients and amounts. Then we start method. In method, first step, boil water in a large pot, add 30 cups dried pasta, approximately 30 grams of salt according to taste wise, and a small amount of butter. Step 2, cook pasta till it gets soft, drain water from it. Now we prepare, no? So be chef, master chef. Okay बच्चे. Step 3, add rest of the butter, milk and cheese spread to pasta. Heat the mix gently until butter and cheese melt. Step 4, if you wish you can garnish. We garnish no pasta with coriander leaves, with spreading granite cheese. Okay. Step 5, serve it hot and बच्चे eat and enjoy. Okay, we finish activity 4, 5 and 6. So बच्चे I send PDF of unit 4 remaining part. Any doubt then ask. Okay बच्चे write down as per in textbook and notebook. Okay, stay safe, take care, stay home.